If you're a beginner in the stock market, these 3 tips will really help you out. Listen up, guys. Trust me. Tip number one, when we're crashing in the stock market, when stocks are dropping 15, 20%, when the Nasdaq's down 30%, the S&P's down 20+%, view that as a good thing. The natural reaction is, oh my God, my stocks are falling, the markets are crashing, this is terrible. But you have to kind of trick yourself to view this as a good thing, because you can buy stocks at a cheaper price. And when you buy stocks at a cheaper price, right, this is how you get to retirement or to your financial goals a lot faster, right? You don't want to buy at all-time highs. That decreases your returns over time. The lower you buy, the higher your returns are over time. Tip number 2 is max out your retirement accounts. Roth IRAs, 401ks, SEP IRAs, traditional IRAs, 403bs, whatever the heck you have, max that out. And if you have a 401k with an employer match, match up to that employer match. Boom. That is tax advantage. Those accounts are tax advantage. That is very important. You guys got to do that. Tip number 3 is hold your stocks for over a year. Let's say you're, investing, trading in a non-retirement account. Let's say a traditional brokerage where you're going to be taxed, yada, yada, yada. You guys know the deal. Uncle Sam wants his cut, right? If you're investing in a traditional brokerage, make sure, you don't have to, obviously you can do whatever you want, but if you hold your stocks for over a year, you get a tax benefit. Instead of paying, 25, 30, 35% tax, whatever your short-term capital, your tax, obligation is, instead of paying that, you pay 15% for long-term capital gains. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind if you want to save a little bit on taxes. Very important. Make sure to follow along for more. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for the support. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.